The 1980s Sears Lime Limo Go-Karts represent a distinctive chapter in American recreational vehicle history. Produced for Sears by Manco Products, Inc., these karts were part of the company's popular fun kart lineup, offered through the Sears catalog during the 1970s and 1980s. Their eye-catching lime green tubular steel frames, black vinyl side-by-side seats, and compact, durable design made them a favorite among young enthusiasts and families looking for affordable, build-it-yourself fun. Each kart was powered by a 4-horsepower Tecumseh single-cylinder engine connected to the rear axle via a centrifugal clutch and chain drive. This setup provided reliable, easy-to-control performance. Braking was handled by a rear drum brake, and steering came through a semicircular wheel mounted on the left side, giving the karts a distinctly automotive feel. The floor pans were painted black with green and yellow graphics, and the wheels were fitted with knob-style tires for better grip on dirt or grass. Manco Products was founded in 1966 by Bill Hatlam, a mechanical engineer and Korean War veteran. Initially focused on minibikes, Manco quickly expanded into go-karts, becoming one of the leading American manufacturers in the segment. Hatlam's strategic partnership with major retailers like Sears, J.C. and Montgomery Ward proved decisive. By the mid-1970s, Manco's creations occupied multiple pages in the Sears catalog, bringing motorized excitement into countless suburban backyards. The Lime Limo models reflected the peak of that era's karting craze, simple, rugged, and visually bold. While tens of thousands were produced, few have survived in original condition. Today, preserved pairs like the ones offered from Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania, are rare collectibles, admired for their design, nostalgic charm, and role in American DIY culture. These karts remain a vivid reminder of the golden age of catalog-sold fun machines and the innovative spirit that fueled Manco's rise.